So we are in the end. I really hope you liked this course and you found it useful for you. And I really want you to apply this method that I taught to learn a new skill. And if you have any doubt, please ask me in the discussion of this course. I also have got a few resources over here where you can learn specific skills. So let's say if you want to learn a specific skill by watching online courses, you have a few platforms to do that, which is Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, YouTube, or Lynda. If you want to use books, you can go to Google and search books on learning how to play guitar, books on learning social media marketing, books on learning Adobe Photoshop. So you have a ton of books. You can find books in pretty much any topic. If you want to learn with a specific teacher by having classes, you can search on Google guitar lessons in and the name of your city. So guitar lessons in California or Ohio or Massachusetts, whatever. So this is really useful, and Google is really cool to find this, because if you search for guitar lessons in Ohio, it will actually show you a map with the locations and the contact information of those people who teach, or organizations who teach guitar. Again, thank you very much for watching this course. Anything you need, just ask me or message me or comment on the discussion below of this course. If you also enjoy the course, please consider leaving a review. I would be really happy. And visit other of my courses if you want to. And thank you very much, and good luck on learning a completely new skill.